everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming, I think it's my favorite video to film of all, and it's my Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. I just got it. Let me see how to get into it. I haven't opened it. Box cutter. There we go. I did, this year, got the extra large bag. This is my third year getting the Beautylish Lucky Bags. 4 years ago I tried and it sold out. I was new to the whole trying to figure out how to get the Lucky Bag. So the first actual Lucky Bag I got was the day I had my breast cancer surgery. If you guys remember that. And then I got one last year, and then this year I was able to get the extra large one, which I was so excited about. So let's open it up. Okay. Whoops, hit my lights. This is what it looks like. If you guys are watching this because you like watching Lucky Bag unboxings, then I'm not going to bore you all with reading the card. The card's the same every year. The tissue paper this year is a symbol that represents new hope. It means dawn or daybreak. And it's new beginnings after a challenging year, which is what we had. So, let's get in. Oh, okay. Black paper. I got some things outside of the styrofoam. I got the Oribe Gold Lust All Over Oil. I kind of wanted this. This was something I have been watching Lucky Bag unboxings because I love to see what everybody gets. And nobody ever gets the same thing, which is pretty cool. Oh, that is nice. Now this can be used on your hair, face, body. I probably will use it on my hair. You guys know I'm working on my hair. Let me see if I can't really smell it. Oh, it's a dropper. I don't really smell anything. That is nice. I will look up prices and put them down below. And when I edit, I'll know how much my Lucky Bag came out to be. I paid $150 for this, and I'm guaranteed at least $300 worth of products. Next, good, I wanted this. I got the Holifrog acid wash. It's a powder. It's a powder wash. Yep. Oh, can I open it? No. Is this a powder wash? Maybe not. No, this one's not the powder one. This one's different. This one is the Shasta AHA Refining Acid Wash. It's not the powder one. I think it's a liquid. Look at that down in there. That's going in my journal. Okay, I'm not upset about that. No, let's get all this out. And then I'm going to look, because last year when I was throwing my box away, I found 2 liquid lips by Sugar Pill that I didn't unbox. So I did miss something. Okay, there's nothing else in that box. So all I have is my plastic. Let's see. Let's see what I got. Okay, I got some good molecules. I got the Discoloration Correcting Serum. I really wanted the pineapple powder cleanse. I think I might order myself that. I don't need it right now, but I think I'll just buy myself that. But that's good. I'm not unhappy so far with anything. Givenchy. I didn't see anybody get anything from Givenchy. What is this? Oh my gosh. The Matte Finish and Enhanced Radiance Loose Powder 4-in-1 Harmony. Let me see if I can... Look. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I'm happy with that. Oh. I don't own any Givenchy except a little sample lip. Wow. Okay. Keep going. What's this? Oh, the R&CO Dry Shampoo Mist. I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. I got lots of stuff in here. 1, 2, 3, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Let's see. Okay, I got a Wayne Goss lip pencil. Yay, I didn't want the eye pencil because it was in black. Everybody was getting black, and I don't need any more black eyeliners. This one is in the color Natural Berry. Ooh, that's very pretty. Yeah, I will use that. There we go. Happy with that. I got a brush. Every year I get a big brush. I have yet to get a eyeshadow brush. I got a Sonia G Smooth Buffer. Oh, wow. I like that. This feels nice. There we go. I haven't seen anybody else get that either. What is this? I got a Tom Ford Quad. Yay. Which one did I get? Visionaire. Everybody was getting Badass. I got Visionaire. It's in this nice case. Mirrored. Oh my gosh. Let me look at those colors. Perfect. I love that better than the Badass one that people are getting. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh man, I feel extremely lucky. I am not upset with anything I have got so far. I know these Tom Ford quads sell for $88. I know that. Yay. I didn't really want a huge palette anyway. I've got plenty of palettes. What is this? Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit. Look at that. Highlighter palette. Man. This is so pretty. Well, I am happy with that. And then, what have I got? And I got a Jade roller. This is nice. Now, one of you sent me a Jade roller. I have that one. Oh, I can't get it out. Anyway, my nails are gone. My nails are broke. So, wow. I kind of wanted the satin pillowcase. I'm just going to have to buy me one. But I got the Jade roller. I got Anastasia highlighting palette. The Tom Ford. The Givenchy. Oh wow. The Sonia G face brush. A Wayne Goss lip pencil. The dry shampoo. Good Molecule Serum. Holifrog's acid wash. And the Oribe Gold Lust body and hair oil. Man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 products. I got 10 products. Wow, I am not disappointed. I kind of wanted the Natasha Denona Love palette, but that's okay. I didn't really need it. I think I like this better. I like getting this smaller one better. So, guys, I will put the total right there, and we'll see how well I did. Like I said, this was the $150 box, and this has got me hooked. I'm going to try to do it again next year. So, guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love it. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And, guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.